Hi everyone, and welcome to the HR Fix. Today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to transform your resume and make it stand out from the crowd. These tips are especially helpful for fresh graduates and early career professionals. Tip 1. Use a strong summary statement. Your summary statement is a brief overview of your skills, experience, and career goals. It should be tailored to the specific job you're applying for. Tip 2. Use keywords. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, are used by many companies to automatically screen resumes. To ensure your resume makes it past the ATS, be sure to incorporate keywords directly from the job description. Tip 3. Quantify your achievements. Instead of saying, "I have experience in customer service," say, "I have 3 years of experience in customer service, during which I handled over 1,000 customer inquiries." Tip 4. Use action verbs. Instead of saying, "I was responsible for," say, "I led a team that." Tip 5. Proofread your resume. A resume with typos or grammatical errors is a major turnoff. I hope these tips help you transform your resume and land your dream job. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more career advice. Thanks for watching.